Okay, out of all, yeah, more called by MEPM or BI friend is a GH Live Studios. But on this edition, Air Hambobuano Sports, Zito Sports, any Atana CNA, Yeri Asia Live, El Fikisi Manamana. It's all about gamer, your friend is a crop, Yama Poma, Asante Kotoko, Ehon Komo, and I eba some exclusives in Gua, and I now pay you may can't wait. Now, Yansu Yamo Chidom, na Yam found call, any J Chrome, Ewa Goody Quine, so Nanya Chefa. And if you want this edition, you best set a record be straight. And when you phone Kasaka Crum, they share no. You better to jar Emma, you for no baby. I'm a darling club or no. Nini Abubre, and then preparation towards a Gianna game. And also, yes, and you might underway. Yamidia Duma, Thursday, and they Asante to companion for William, any players no, Edding Komobi. Suggestion being so, but Efa Kotoko minimum penny for be, and I request this side, no so come everybody ninja money they ba someone na bia we pay Kotoko coaching ehonsem Kotoko coaching ehonsem and also ye de be man coach Karim Zito why in the presser and no dey abetwam ko but o hwe demeanor with the push na why slow kakra yes ba vim ho am panyufo ne so mo ye bia ma Gianna edi nkugo nyame dey over the weekend wo kuma se no panyufo so your Gianna so nkomo a wo mo your toys Asante Kotoko no Yadebe Tuja Ediama in a tier for live on this edition of Ahembobuano Sports. Ewo Kizito Sports Ahanuma.
Sports time.
Locally accepted, internationally approved.
Nabia Etni Erin Kunimbia so live.
Sports time. Subscribe on my Zito, live studio present side. News of Ghana. Sports more. Breaking news. More breaking news around the world. Sports subscribe, share with others. Subscribe, share with others.
Sports.
Okay, that's share with others. Asante Kotoko, Ewa Kono, Yamiwa weekend. Omni Gianna Stars, and Ebo, and Ghana Football Association. FA Cup, no, that is Football Association Cup, and a to the winners of this competition, a wow, Eba Confederation Cup. Kotoko, at not say I serve assessment, any retrospective stuff, say so many, penny for ayo agendre ho ehun sampa. Say a kwaniasam kudim die kwan so bi omofa na omutumi share Gianna Stars na omutumi bon twishi ko wanim na competition no glance eda omani ma omo na omoje eko Africa na so omoje enam se league no mo dwene ho de na so league no ade bia wa ne mu wa na mpese mu be wa abro so nso de any most definitely say we alternative into alternative na as usual FA Cup no nti nyamedi adoma Kotoko game with Gianna Stars no efiti and Thursday ya wade Kotoko company for beti omo ho agu various radio stations, TV stations, and African so omoboa ema Kotoko players ni bi omoyibi ema bi ko various media houses ombeyo ama ene painting kwatia na namsaye so aboa ema chitafa wa PM ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium na edien monyam hye ama yura na say to ene na gofa ma team no na ne beye na yebetimi atoa so edin konim over Gianna Stars and what you empire bobby so with regards to spiritual realm so womo your adwuma hodo as usual amamre team ntino so yifru ma enye yie a mo yo amane ma ekoso na Gianna so tempentin kwa honhom family niam hodo bebre no mo yenam so mo so league no and also etweyira FA Cup ne optional womo edebe call Africa no mo so akobo competition ni bi enti atapoku mo tempenten kwa sade Kotoko so eni abre na enti who is who game and eba so that weekend bia friends say Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium why and so timidi nkunim krobia remain supreme and I say timi to Gianna Asante Kotoko to so na ye call ye nemu tentem so na am say so am na and the training grounds training na beba so no supporters leadership supporters executives old players be ebeka ho akabom akakopiem ewa dako judge precisely na omni players na didi nkomo enya no baba kakra na niema atumi akoso yes suggestion ba ko a enei womo edema Asante Kotoko current management no ene say omunyi welfare officer the yetete and it's a group of Asante Kotoko leaders, and the request Asante Kotoko management say woman a welfare officer my players now play opinion be flexible or accessible for the players now ebe boy ye papa omo boy na pen kraba so Samba na adwuma mu abibia etum pon de nanso ya na panyin ani mo ferry yes ya na say players na come how ni adi nyina kire na aye bibia kakra ya na ne kana ye ferry kakra bebem enti players niam association mu ye pa no we be say akoto nso administrative manager but empanyufo ene nkomo kakra ya tie ne say nanimu nshadante I'm sorry to say that but that is what the account to anum I na yenso yehu a ye dey to jom say onya accessible for the players no nkomo kakra na wo mo e dey bo empanyufo a odro bi ti say administrative manager no any team manager no any ade nti wo mo pe tetene say de na welfare officer no any ade no wo mo enya ba ko a we your request bi a free awosado tomrante na ho enom dia facts and leaders ni bi so ene ne nyame boa enom kopie mo training grounds en komo ebekọ so no behind the scene komo ba ko ene yete ho ede ama ye mpanyufo a monso mutie ye ne die ne ahobrase kwan so na bibia awie nkodemdie so wo ma din kan ede ato management anim bara isa akoye hwe buada kakra enti ene ombesa aboso bia na msa aboso ba na ma japai na enam sai so ma bibia awie nkodemdie so wo mo se omunya obi o ya accessible a ebe boa yie papa na players no day in and day out obi ewo how bia wo ma timi ede aka na bibia timi akoso kama nam say ehyeso mu ho a eno so etimi editim ni nya yie papa eno so ye kakra etodwa yanko Kotoko coaching issues so wiki mu what is say Kotoko kofa Brazil coach what be what is say Kotoko kofa Egypt coach what be what is say Kotoko kofa coach A coach B Kotoko ni coaches B di nkomo what be yati ya no yetu anamon ene wona e kan bi ewom na Asante Kotoko si on na so edi nkomo wo mo si Zito fatu dwa ewo GH Live Studios ena afi Zito Sports so emo bia ante se Kotoko yani coach bia ni nkomo the only coach I work currently Karim Kabute Zito Karim Kabute Zito wono ene ye head coach na obi suggestion obetena ba bia kan de yentimi begrudge ne se manenka na mom ya ye take decision na say ya ye wa ha sisi idea yento mpentin kwankoto asre na enye bu onye ban bia se nei ye ne coach bi kasa na coach bia nso mfreye eno nkomo kakra ya tete free mpanyufa so ye nei ye dey to drama ye na tie for report to cry chemu se Kotoko fans man shasi anko stadium a sika Samba kwa pen kakra se Kotoko ye share league ya se Kotoko N2 se bosomi ato ama ene akatua bia nkoye omunye se bida day in and day out bosomi to bosomi bia no players no salary winning bonuses kama nemom stadium enipa ma ene kawo do omo bono and I'm sorry so ama team expenditure through year pa enti panyi kwanchefo no kra ni di nkuwa no okaze bido na beko bisi ankwa ne kwawo na wo pam of Zito no onye abone bia wo msa ne ma aya atofo da de na nso hope say nei league no ye betimi ato aso a participate in nkudimdie kwa so san fampa FA Cup no eda ho a esi etimi eto aso di nkudim na afi ye de call Africa ne bi and he's doing a job a see a ukoye asa ama no sika udi beja no kwan and am say o contract nwuye de oba no nso do so po na eso de manual enti omo manage niema massage situation na decision bi wo ba ebe at the end of the season and a decision bi be ba wo mo beyo na enokra no say be a technical director and of Zito that chan come be nkomodidie mu o wo be ko a which is at the end of season wo be ko akoyo obeyo na se obi be ba fofra to aso a omo hu de ombe but for now there idea wo mo enteki decision bi ase ne coach A coach B coach Broni coach Tuntum coach Fitabi every crow fufuro bi so ba coach Asante Kotoko eno enchemu kakra nei to dwa ho no ma yede ma yene chefo ntinai Thursday today training grounds no Kotoko mpanyufo be call any players na kwa kodi nkomo it's all about gamer yene Adriana Stars ebono na bibia wie nkonim die so ewo mo eno so etikoda ewie Adriana hye won di nkonim wie a ye next game yene hat to folk ena bebo na eno de ya dia mpanyufo odwen ho se wɔn bɛtumi organization of say BNA circles leaders global supporters leaders no wɔn bɛtwitwi float no ma fa krom na wɔn create awareness bi towards hearts for game after aduana deɛ no na wɔn ahwɛ sɛ no nso bɛboa ayi di result na panyin no kura nkɔmɔdeɛ mu no deɛ wɔkyerɛ nyinaa ɛne sɛ Asante Kotoko wɔn analysis any analogy o ma ye nyina nse Kotoko etimi nya home win enya away wins etoatoa so a eno a e the fans no mpo e ba stadium e boro so na nansan a enya draw home ekobo lose e wa away a eno na bu amanfo mama omo nhada amanti eniama draw so mo yo edi gu akwam e ma wins e sha ase etoatoa so no eno ene omo yu ane omo bu a ama bibia no etimi ewie konimdie so Aduana Stars egu ahoboa so ede ba bi hia Asante Kotoko ene ye bosha hodo enya asem kuma team ra ono nso awuram yes na adoma ahene awuram hye nkwada ne bosa mo fa nkwa wo mani mame na bede bo mani mame a ene be mam kutu na yaje o mo bam no ede amamo enti enei eno nso bosha hodo a promise koso a amanfo a yenka no se na adoma ahene ba na team no more or less esini na so a ode ama tapoko mo yo ni ade nyina no bosha hodo okoso a omo raise omo winning bonus for away games pocket crowd e de kosoro se momra medi nkonim wodi nkonim wi a ye beto ato so akabon amoho e de amamo na bibia timi awie nkonim de so ntia no so e de eto dwa e de ma in a team forward regards to womo so aso ye training grounds aso ye of Adriana no omo training twice a day morning and the evening and a training ekoso no enchemu a eto dwa omo ni agimam badu player Jima Badu na America, former Black Star midfielder, ene ono so eka on panyinfo ho recently ko hono mo kokasaye but ene on tinsan ko biem enti phone so komo ne ade de omo ne atapoko nom dwe bi pa na omo ne players ne kasa individually ni nyina by way of motivational womo motivate omo ne Asante Kotoko ere ba beta sa so ntine se Kotoko panyinfo so afa ade ato omo so se eso omo so ye bibi extraordinary bi na etimi to dwame share Diana it's a step in the right direction am gidi say and also niam out do ene boy ye pa obekai striker bi ye no story in video ha Elvis Bernard Ade ene wakwa sign e de ama Zesco United and am say na SS katua kakra kwade ma ne team Niami fan for na FSA fan Niam team no na so na Kotoko de no ayi bibio ho ne ade and more or less child player no a Kotoko anya no me no kaso da so any Kotoko any training day in and day out no one also attack as a winger any forward with me we BNT and when enam so ema Elvis Bernard Ade no Kotoko an consider na newa sign dem Zesco United boboko na eno e was Zambia emamu eno enchemu kakra ne yede ma yede for enti Chad ni de yes mo amobisa na so no da so ne Kotoko training that's all that we can say to you eno enchemu a ye hwe ani mu say it's likely say bia after Jana game no mbetimi an announcement about a child player yes paying for any ason ye papa ne more any adia wo old training grounds so enye fedi agrana ebe boy homoden na report how do be say twa go training grounds no ya boa atimi apeke e de free onomo ne ama training report both Adriana and Asante Kotoko de no na bibia akasi ani twe kama nkudumdie kwan so e de ama krobia ma poma metema Asante Kotoko the Royal City Club ne ne ama awie peye ewo munti ena ye claim anase enye claim kra yes set record ni straight e de ama Asante Kotoko any foreign coach bia enhye nkoma ase eno no na me was Samba story ma me fan twatwo enfama Samba say nkoma kakra ekoso den nkoma ni nyina wonim dada Samba be renew ne de emse mutually oni mpanyifo atena si di nkomo but attacking new nkomo for dimension no and say it's likely it's a Samba renewal no obetimi aye 1 year bi asoso ama Kotoko 1 year with flexibility say akwanya bi epia eso mu jaima ne ko na okotoa so esi akan yes omu di nkomo with regards to say age no efie nom ni ade sika sama enya nom ni ade enti eso onya tefa bi emu odro so no akoto sika bi currently ade ama Kotoko de no onkoto sika massive bi antro ho current situation no and say wa champagne for but say nya ade da say obekọ na wajai team no edimu amuno so na mse Kotoko aye bi ama no ena ono so eye bi ma Kotoko nti omma team no eni nkuguo da so obekompa yes most definitely ese Kotoko nya ne so mfa so ne senti ena ese nkomo no etia ba be se 1 year contract renewal eno nkomo ena omudia teams outdoor penwa no oba na de tefa kakra ato ayuramu ede ama club ama poma metema Sante Kotoko na omudi bi nso ahwe ntirima obokuo no kwan so na bibia wie penti Samba decision enye se obekọ saa obi aka saa je yatia ne se enye no kre but report ne se team se epani nyina no ode Kotoko ebekọ gentleman agreement kama na memo no adoso na ayete se the contract afi ba ko bi ewom na bibia wie pe na team no enya ne so mfa so no enkomotitua ye de etwa to amaha GH Live Studios Zito Sports ni mienu nyina obo a obenya yen Zito Sports anase GH Live Studios ye bia ba ko abeka ho a ye friend say on the pitch yes bomode ne di no so achi na on the pitch no foreign stories outdoor and a players lifestyle hon komo and a football discussion any yo but I had chinie ne see so any sports on kama the amount aserve Asante Kotoko ama bibia ewie nkonimdie so thank you so much for being part of this great show yebesa ba biem na the exclusive no abetu anim.
Sports time with Zito, Log Live Studio, present inside.